At 5 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, 0900 UTC, the center of Tropical Storm Philippe was located near latitude 31.1 north, longitude 50.1 west. Philippe is moving toward the east-northeast near 24 miles per hour. A turn to the northeast and north-northeast is expected during the next day or so. Maximum sustained winds have decreased to near 60 miles per hour, with higher gusts. Philippe is forecast to become post-tropical on Sunday or earlier. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 105 miles from the center. Estimated minimum central pressure is 989 millibars, 29.21 inches. A drifting buoy near the center of Philippe reported a minimum pressure of 990 millibars, 29.23 inches.
Here's the hazardous weather outlook for southwest and south-central Arkansas, for northwest and north-central Louisiana, for deep east and northeast Texas, and for southeast Oklahoma. For today and tonight, southeast winds today will range from 11 to 16 miles per hour with some gusts to around 25 miles per hour this afternoon. Minimum relative humidity during the afternoon will be in the 30 to 40% range. These two factors will combine, along with the ongoing drought conditions, to enhance the fire danger across the four-state area. Report any sort of fire to 911 immediately. No other hazardous weather is expected at this time. For the period Sunday through Friday, elevated fire weather conditions will diminish slightly for Sunday with even lighter winds and higher relative humidity expected into the new week. In addition, the chance for showers and thunderstorms will return to the area, especially during midweek, ahead of an approaching cold front. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation will not be needed today or tonight.
You are listening to Weather Radio, station WXK36, broadcasting in Tyler on 162.475 MHz. Here's a look at local weather conditions as of 7 a.m. At the top of the hour, skies were clear in Tyler. The temperature was 69 degrees at the regional airport. The dew point was 61, making the relative humidity 75%. Winds were southeast at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 inches and rising. In Longview, skies were clear with a temperature of 66 degrees. The dew point was 59, making the relative humidity 78%. Winds were southeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.10 inches and rising. Once again in Tyler, it was 69 degrees with clear skies at 7 a.m. Around the local area at 7 a.m. in Terrell, cloudy and 72. Wind southeast at 12 miles an hour. DFW Airport, mostly cloudy and 72. Wind south at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24 miles an hour. Paris, clear and 64. Wind southeast at 10 miles an hour. Texarkana, clear and 62. Wind east at 3 miles an hour. Shreveport, clear and 66 degrees. Wind southeast at 6 miles an hour. Jacksonville, clear and 68 degrees. Wind southeast at 10 miles an hour. Palestine, cloudy and 72 degrees. Wind southeast at 7 miles an hour. And Corsicana, partly cloudy and 71 degrees. Wind southeast at 8 miles an hour. Elsewhere across the four-state region, Oklahoma City, mostly cloudy and 71. Little Rock, clear and 58. Jackson, Mississippi, clear and 65. Baton Rouge, clear and 63. And at Houston, mostly cloudy and 73 degrees. The Tyler Climate Summary for yesterday, October 7th, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 91 degrees. The normal high is 81. The record high is 96 degrees, which was set in 1917. Yesterday's low temperature was 68. The normal low is 59. The record low is 40 degrees, which was set in 1978. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.00 inches. This is 0.92 inches below the normal amount of 0.92 inches for October. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 14.22 inches, which is 19.30 inches below normal. Sunrise today is at 7:20 a.m. and sunset is at 6:58 p.m.
Now let's check on your local forecast. Today, partly cloudy. Highs around 90. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with higher gusts. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Columbus Day, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. East winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s.
At 5 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, 0900 UTC, the center of Tropical Storm Philippe was located near latitude 31.1 north, longitude 50.1 west. Philippe is moving toward the east-northeast near 24 miles per hour. A turn to the northeast and north-northeast is expected during the next day or so. Maximum sustained winds have decreased to near 60 miles per hour, with higher gusts. Philippe is forecast to become post-tropical on Sunday or earlier. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 105 miles from the center. Estimated minimum central pressure is 989 millibars, 29.21 inches. A drifting buoy near the center of Philippe reported a minimum pressure of 990 millibars, 29.23 inches.
Here's the tropical weather outlook, broadcast at 15 minutes and 45 minutes after the hour. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Tropical Storm Philippe, located about 865 miles east of Bermuda, or about 1350 miles west-southwest of the Azores Islands. A broad surface trough interacting with an upper-level low is producing widespread cloudiness and scattered thunderstorms over the northwestern Caribbean Sea and extending northward over much of Cuba, most of the Florida Peninsula, and all of the Bahamas. Gradual development of this large area of disturbed weather is possible over the next few days as it moves slowly northward or northwestward. This system has a low chance, 20%, of becoming a tropical or subtropical cyclone during the next 48 hours. Regardless of development, this disturbance will produce strong gusty winds and locally heavy rainfall across portions of the Bahamas and the Florida Peninsula over the next couple of days. Elsewhere, tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 48 hours.